What's up, guys? So I just kind of wanted to give you my thoughts over the Noble Epic gaming chair. Just kind of wanted to give you guys kind of what I think about the chair, kind of talk a little bit about the certain things. First thing you notice is when I'm putting this thing together is just the quality of this chair. It seems very good quality. The material, I could barely tell that it's the PU leather. It's awesome. So mine was the PU leather, not the real leather version, but it's got a really neat design to it. It's not too flashy. It's really cool. It has this suede material on the side as an accent, which I actually didn't even know that it had, but it's really nice. Nice quality on that suede there, which is really cool. So another thing, these are the levers for the tilt of the chair and the up and down part of the chair. But as you can see here, you can lock in the position of the tilt, so you can have the seat tilted backward, which is kind of nice if you wanted to have like a racing style setup or just kicking back and relaxing. So the side lever is pretty neat. It's not, like I said, this chair is just really nice quality for the price. That lever, you just lift it up and you can lean the chair back and forward. Now the seat cushion is definitely more stiff than I had expected it to be. You definitely don't sink into the chair, but it's definitely comfortable. The rest of the chair, the upper part here, that's very comfortable as well. But yeah, just a little stiffer than I thought, but like I said, it's still very comfortable. Now it comes with these pillows that you can use. That one's for the head, and then they have one for the lumbar. I'm not using any of those. Maybe I will, but it just kind of was uncomfortable having those there. So the base is made out of aluminum. It's a really nice quality aluminum. The casters move really nice on my carpet, and I would assume they're gonna work well on like a hardwood floor and everything like that, but they move just fine on carpet. And nice quality as well. The arms, they go up and down. They've got a lot of adjustability on these, which is kind of neat. You can move it forward and backward by pushing a button. You can tilt them side to side to kind of get them out of the way if you have to. You can pivot it left and right as well. It's made out of like a rubbery plastic material. It's surprisingly comfortable. I was kind of expecting it to kind of suck, but it actually is nice to rest your forearms and elbows on, and it's not going to wear out. The only thing I will say is, as you can see, there is a little bit of play on those pivot points at the top. Just this plastic piece wiggles just a little bit. And so another thing too is this chair is big enough where if you like to sit Indian style, you can. I'm not a big dude. I'm 6 foot. About 155 pounds, and I can sit Indian style, or if you sit on your foot while you're sitting on the in a chair, that works as well. So it's not crammed or anything. It's a pretty spacious chair. But so as far as comfort wise, I'm not going to recommend this chair for anyone because the comfort levels of chairs are so subjective that a chair that's super comfy for me might not be comfort for you. So I just kind of wanted to give my thoughts on the quality and everything. And if you like racing chairs and you're comfortable in racing chairs and don't mind a little bit of a stiff cushion, this is definitely a great chair. I'm definitely happy with my purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.